In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Eventbrite event. We'll walk through the desktop method step by step so you can update details with confidence and keep your attendees informed. Start by signing into your Eventbrite account. Once you're in, click your profile icon in the top corner and choose Manage My Events. From the list, select the event you want to update. This opens the event dashboard, which is your control center for all edits. On the dashboard, click Build Event Page or use the left side menu to jump straight to the section you need. Here you can refine your event title, polish the description, adjust the date and time, and set the location or online event link. You can also update images and videos, organizer information, ticket types and prices, the event URL, and any registration questions. Open the section you want to edit, make your changes, and be sure to click Save. As you revise, keep your title clear, your description concise and helpful, and double-check the time zone so attendees see the correct schedule. If it's an online event, verify that your link is current and accessible. To edit ticket types, go to Add Tickets or Tickets in the menu. Select an existing ticket to adjust its details. You can change the ticket name, the quantity available, the price, and the sales dates. Click Save when you're done. Think about overall capacity and the timing of price changes so everything aligns with your promotion plan and attendee expectations. To change the event date and time, head to the Date and Time section. Update the schedule as needed and click Save. After making any timing changes, notify your attendees so they're aware of the update. Clear communication helps reduce no-shows and confusion. If you need to refresh your organizer details, go to Organization Settings, select your organizer profile, update the information, and save your changes. Keeping this profile accurate ensures your branding and contact information display consistently across all your events. A few important notes before we wrap up. You can edit published events as long as the original event date hasn't passed. Some updates may impact attendees, so Eventbrite recommends emailing registered guests after major edits, especially changes to schedule, location, or tickets. And if you ever have trouble saving, try refreshing the page or switching browsers. Occasional dashboard glitches can happen and are usually temporary. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly fine-tune your Eventbrite event and keep everything accurate and up to date.